Hey guys, it's Noah here. Uh, I'm working on fixing my GTA 5 disc for my 360 because it wasn't working because it was the Xbox was saying it was unreadable. So and that so we were I was sitting here with one of my friends.
Bitch.
Joe Percy over there, just cause.
Screw you, man. Kill it. Okay, how do you?
And you see, we're just getting really angry because they wouldn't work.
Zingo.
So I was sitting here drinking Gatorade bottle. It's over here. Grab it. There we go. This Gatorade bottle was finished drinking this, and he told me to lick the disc. I'm like, and he's just like, see if that works. I'm just sitting here like, maybe it will. And just like, just lick the thing. Yes, I know I'm an idiot. Don't tell me. Just lick the disc, dry it off my shirt, put it in my Xbox, and it works perfectly fine. So thanks for Joey making that weird comment thingy. And my paper just fell on the floor. Anyways, man, now my GTA is working. He's sitting over there playing his Franklin. Thanks, guys. Bye.